Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. And I promised you random, unfiltered, uncut reviews. And we're going to talk about installing 3 Nest systems in your home. I was a little reluctant to do it at first, but here's my system here. I've got a camera looking out the back. I've got a camera looking at the front door. And I've got a camera in the garage for what it's worth. I did have the 4th camera. I forgot what I did with it. But anyway, I do have a middle floor Nest system set up at 71 degrees. I do have one down here in the basement set at 67. And then I've got one upstairs at 66. I've got several smoke detectors and heat detectors in the house. This says power out, but no, it's just because I don't have it plugged into the electrical outlet. It has a battery that lasts about 2 years, so I've just been replacing the batteries. So I do have one in the basement and one in the kitchen area. I do have probably another 6 or 8 scattered throughout the house, but they're not tied to Nest. So if one goes off, they all go off and that sort of thing. But I wanted to show you that you can put more than one Nest system in your house. So this is what it looks like on your iPhone, very similar to what we looked at on the computer there. For instance, I am down here in the basement, so I can go here, I can turn it up and see what the heat does. See, you see the heat came on. I can turn it down, that sort of thing. And of course, the same thing, going back to upstairs. So this is the middle floor. I'm going to turn it down a little bit there. And of course, upstairs, I've got it on 66. I think I'm going to go up there and watch some TV in a little bit. Maybe I'll go ahead and put that on 68, make sure it's not too cool. Yeah, the downstairs, sensors, alarm, voice, battery, all that's been checked. You can see there the alerts that's gone. But anyway, just thought I'd let you know that you can install more than one Nest in your house, and ours is working out great. There's a lot of installation tips on YouTube. I wouldn't dare try to outdo someone else that's showed you how to put all the wires in, but it's pretty simple. Follow some of the other folks on YouTube, and you should not have any problem installing your Nest systems, up to 3 so far in my house. Here I am in the basement. Just thought I would show you. This is a 3rd generation. I just kicked on. I was going to show you how it. So I guess, but this is a 3rd generation system here. The one all the way upstairs is a 3rd generation as well. And the one on the middle floor is actually a 2nd generation, but it doesn't seem to matter if you mix generations. The 1st generation, I don't know. I'm not so sure I would mix those, but the 2nd and 3rd seems to work well together. It is still Christmas here in the Duke household. Let's see if the motion sensor, yeah, it just popped on. You saw it there. 68 degrees upstairs. So there you have it, folks. This is the 3rd generation upstairs. 2nd generation Nest on the 2nd middle floor. And I do have 3 heat pumps, 3 units. 5.5 tons on the middle, 5 tons on the middle floor. I think the top and the bottom floors are 2.5 or 3 tons. Thanks for watching Rod's very random reviews. Take care all.